Suppose I have question is evaluate integral x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x square plus 1. Then what do you do? See, yes, you can hear me,
Yes, sir.
Govinda. Okay. So in this kind of an integral, if you see the what is the degree of the numerator?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the degree of the numerator?
4,
4. What is the degree of the denominator?
2.
2. Okay. What you see here is that the degree of the numerator is actually greater than the degree of the denominator. Okay.
Yes.
And both are algebraic functions. Both are algebraic expressions. Okay. In such a case, when in the previous example when I discussed out there, the degree of the denominator was just 1 less than degree of the denominator, isn't it?
Yes.
But in this case, the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator. And by how much? By 2. So remember, always, whenever the degree of the numerator is greater than degree of denominator, we will divide the numerator by the denominator. Class 8, you have done division of algebraic expressions. You have done division of algebraic expressions. I'm sure you must have done.
Yes,
Division method.
Yes, sir. Done. We have done.
If you haven't, then you can check your brother's textbook. Okay. Class 8 textbook. It is there. So just to refresh your memory.
Okay, sir.
You take I is equal to integration x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x square plus 1. You divide directly. How do I divide? How do I divide? X to the power x square plus 1. I divide this by x to the power of 4 plus 1.
Yes,
So
sir. We have
first
done
thing,
this.
what I do here is in order to get x to the power of 4, I multiply by x square.
X.
So how much is x square plus 1 into x square? This will give you x to the power of 4 plus x square.
4
Do you remember
plus
now?
X square. Yes, sir.
Now you subtract, cancel. This will also
We got it.
subtract. So what do you get? Minus x square plus 1.
Yes.
Now you get to have an x square and you have a minus x square. So you must multiply this by minus 1.
Minus 1.
You get minus x square minus 1.
Plus.
So this cancels this. So what do you get? You get 2. This is your remainder.
Yes, sir.
This is your quotient. This is your dividend, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is your divisor. And you know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Plus remainder, right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, x to the power of 4 minus 1 can be written as divisor x square plus 1 into quotient x square minus 1 plus remainder. I can write.
Yes, sir.
So from here, in the integration, what I do is I write x to the power of 4 plus 1 as x square plus 1
1
into x square minus 1
plus minus
plus 2
plus 2
by x square
by x square
plus 1
plus
dx. Now I separate. I get integration of, I'm going to put a curly bracket here, x square plus 1 into x square minus 1
minus
by
1
x square plus 1
by x square plus 1
plus 2 by
plus 2
x
by
square
x square plus 1
plus 1.
plus 1.
Okay. And there's something that has come which you have not discussed, but fine. I'll just give you the formula and you'll know. Okay. So what will happen here is that x square plus 1 will cancel. So what are you left with? Integration of
X square plus
x square minus 1
minus 1 sorry,
plus
2
2 by
x
x
square
square.
plus
Let us write this as 1 plus x square. Just hold on. Give me a minute. So now here, what we are going to do here is,
Sir, your voice is not coming.
okay, this is what we are going to do.
Hello.
We have separated this. Now what we are going to do here is, this
Hello.
is, now we separate. You get integration x squared dx
Hello.
minus integration 1 into dx is simply dx plus
yes
integration
Hello.
2 by
Sir, can
1
you hear me?
plus, yes, I can hear you, 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Now this you write as integration x squared dx minus x plus, you can take 2 out of the integration and you can write integration dx by 1 plus x square. Okay. Now there is a formula that is needed here. Later on I'll give you the formula. You can apply this formula here. Okay. That integration of dx by a square plus x square. Remember, integration of dx by a square plus x square is tan inverse x by a plus c. Understood? This formula we shall
yes
just apply here. So integration of x square is what? X to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. And integration of x is what? X to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1
plus
plus
1
twice integration dx by 1 plus a. According to this formula, a here is 1. So you simply get tan inverse x plus
yes
c. So what are you getting? 1/3 x cube minus half x square plus 2 tan inverse x plus c, where c is a constant of integration. Okay. So this is your answer. So what I mean to say here is that whenever you get this kind of an integration where the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, you will divide directly in this manner.
okay sir
Okay. And then proceed.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So you have to remember all these types of problems that I am discussing. Okay. All the
Okay,
types,
sir.
they will all come back to you later on. And later on, I will not be explaining how I did this and how uh, this was done. Okay. Take this problem as your homework. Evaluate.
evaluate
In fact, we'll come across this kind of a problem later. Okay. Do whatever you, at least try the division. At least try the division and show me. Okay. Evaluate
Okay, sir.
integral. Even if you don't know the some formulas, you will come across certain expressions of which formula you haven't done. So what I would suggest is at least you try out the division method and see whether you are getting this or not. Okay. If you see here, the degree of the numerator and degree of denominator is also same. Even here you can divide. Okay. So you will get, see whether you get till this step. You will get See whether you get till this step. If you are getting till this step, then it's okay. After this, I will take it up later on. Practice division for the time being.
Okay, sir.
Okay, from
Okay,
this
sir.
sum, you practice division. Okay, and the next day, let me